morning and welcome back to another video. So we got all the repairs done on the property that we needed to do, but we've made mistakes. We've had to go back and fix them. So today my plan is I'm just gonna go through, look over all the nailing, probably push some sealants in on the seams and cracks, and then I'm gonna go to the dump because we've just got debris, piled up everywhere. The place is looking like a mess. So today's mission, I'm just gonna look over all the nailing, make sure we're good on spacing, and then push sealants in, and then go to the dump and clean this place up, and then organize the shop too, because when you're doing work like this, I'm not putting tools away every day because I'm just trying to get as much done as I can in a day. Today is just trying to get to zero. That way I can email an inspector, have them come back out here and close this thing out, which is what we're trying to do. So let's get there. Just wanna be happy, happy, boo. Wanna be. Just got back from Jerry's. We ran out of sealant when I was sealing up that end of the shop, so went and got a couple more tubes. I'm gonna finish this job. I don't think we're gonna make the dump today, but I am gonna start cleaning up this shop. It's an absolute war zone. So let's go finish this job and start working on this shop bay. Y'all, I think we got all the repairs done. All the stuff we did anyway. So got that stuff pulled off. Got it hold down, strapping, got new sheeting up, nailed. I've been through some sealant in those cracks and seams. And I ended up going with pressure treated plywood on this because obviously it's the middle of winter, right? And I don't necessarily want to paint this right now. So I wanted to get some pressure treated wood that's a little bit more water resistant, because I am actually planning on painting all of the buildings next year. So I wanted to be able to just put this up here and paint it all next year instead of doing it twice. And this is just not the time to be painting. I'm not even sure this is the time to be throwing that sealant up there, but hoping it'll dry eventually. So I was thinking I was gonna go to the dump today. No way, we're almost out of time. We lose our help with Ember at 4 o'clock every day. Jaylene is working on the Chinook. The shop bay is a mess. We're gonna go in there and just start working on that with the time that we have left today. So we're gonna start just cleaning and organizing the shop bay. Let's get in there and do that. But I think we're done with the repairs. So it's Friday. So the inspector only comes Tuesdays and Thursdays out here. So I'll email schedule this weekend and hopefully he'll be here Tuesday and we'll be done with this. It's crazy. Hello, I would like to thank Guta for being this week's video sponsor, and they sent us over this tire pressure monitoring system. Let's go open up the box and check this thing out. As we open the box, pretty straightforward. I have a dually, so I have 6 wheels, 6 tires that I want to monitor the pressure, but you can tell that if you had a trailer, you could put these on your trailer. I'm just gonna put that on my dually wheels. Looks pretty straightforward. Looks like it just gets power by plugging this into the cigarette lighter, and then you have your monitor here. And the cool thing it looks like is you have these 2 ports, so you could still have access to powering whatever you want. This comes out of here. And it looks like you have a little bit of tools and some gaskets and some extra stickers in the box here. Plug the display into the cigarette lighter to power on, and then install the sensors. Okay, so it looks like we need to go plug this in first and then put the sensors on. So let's go do that. Let's plug this in. One thing I do like is it actually shows the voltage of my vehicle battery. I only hooked up the front 2. Oh, it's even got the trailer deal here. But I only hooked up the front 2 just so you could see that it's working. Thank you, Guta, for being this week's video sponsor and sending over this tire pressure monitoring system. This is going to be great for anybody doing those long road trips, so you can just keep an eye on your air pressure as you're driving down the road, and if you have any problems, an alarm will go off so you can prevent problems from becoming problems. If you would like to learn more about this product or would like to purchase one, you can head to the description box below, learn more, and buy it. Morning, it's a new day. It's supposed to rain in a couple hours, so I'm dropping everything I'm doing to get this dump stuff taken care of. We got Jelina's renovation trash, and then we've got house repairs trash. So I'm hooking the trailer up right now, and then I'm gonna get all this debris and stuff in the trailer and head over to the dump. That's what we're doing right now, so let's get on it. Y'all, that's gonna be the end of this video. I don't even remember where we started. I think we finished repairing the house, but you'll see, you just watch the whole video. Just got back from the dump, got all the debris cleaned up. I'm hyped about that. This has been a long, drawn out process. I am able to email the inspector tonight, and hopefully he will be here this week and we can put this whole mess behind all of us. So thank you guys so much for being here. If this happens to be the first time you've ever watched one of my videos, consider subscribing. And if you're a long-time subscriber, love and respect. I'm taking this one out. I still got some other projects I need to do today, but I'm not going to film all that. So thanks for being here. Appreciate you. Bye.